Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the set for travel. It has everything you can possibly need, including labels. So let me open it up and show you all that you're going to receive. Alright, you guys, I unpacked everything and let's break it down. So one of my favorite things that I've never seen in any other one is this. This is a razor holder, so you just open it up and you can slide your razor in here so you can safely travel with it, making sure that it's not going to damage any of your other items. And I really like that it is silicone, very nice and thick, so it's going to keep my razor nice and protected, and I can take it on my trip with me. Now you're also going to get two toothpaste caps. These are also silicone, so they slide your toothbrush in super easy to protect it and keep it nice and sanitary. You're also going to get two of these right here, so you get one spray one. Maybe you can put some hair products like I am going to, and maybe some sunscreen as well. As you can see, you have all the labels you need, from shampoo to condition, lotion, body wash, face wash, everything you need. You're also going to get a little funnel, which makes it so much easier to put in any products. Two of these. Now, if you don't know what this is a perfume holder. So on the bottom, you're going to use this and press down on your perfume till it fills up, and you get to take your favorite perfume with you. Travel size is also great to throw in your purse, work bag, or to go to school, which I do as well. These are for, I'm guessing, shampoo and conditioner, as they are bigger. That's what I'm going to use these for. And you also get two smaller ones, great for lotion, face wash, anything like that. And then if you are like me, you know skincare is so important, so you get to take these as well. They're super tiny, but you can fit a lot of things like eye cream in here, and I like that there is this additional top right here to keep all your stuff nice and safe and sanitary. And lastly, you're also going to get this. This is just a little spoon so you can pick up whatever cream or product you put in here. Now I'm gonna start filling this up and show you guys what that looks like. Alright, you guys, I filled up the essential and I still have the two little bottles left, one of the perfumes and a spray bottle as well, to figure out if I want to take anything else. I am definitely taking my razor in here, two types of face cream, of course, with the little applicator, shampoo, conditioner, some sunscreen, and a perfume, which was super easy to fill all the way up. I definitely recommend this if you are an avid traveler or you just want to travel here and there, because it's going to keep everything where it's supposed to be. I love these containers. They seal so tightly, super nice, and a good size. This is a good amount of shampoo for me. It might last me 2 washes at least, so I definitely recommend it. It's definitely such a great kit, and you can find it on Amazon.